To begin with, we shall take a few mindful breaths just to help us to relax and to clear the mind. We breathe in through the nose to a count of 4. Pause to a count of 4. Breathe out to a count of 4 through the mouth. And then pause for a count of 4 and repeat. While we are doing this simple breathing exercise, we are observing the breath moving through the body, and that is calming and clearing the mind, ready for our Tonglen meditation. Naturally, at times your mind will wander, and when this does happen, ever so gently just guide your mind back to your breath. And let us take one more deep breath, in through the nose and out through the mouth. And now we are ready for our Tonglen meditation session. Visualize a person whom you would like to help. This could include yourself, however, we recommend that first of all you meditate on somebody close to you whom you love. Traditionally, this would be your mother. So bring this person to mind. Simply visualize this person in front of you. Now, as you inhale, be mindful of the energy of pain that you observe in this individual. Simply observe the energy of their struggle, the energy of their suffering. You'll notice that it feels like a heavy, dark, dampening energy. Be mindful of the specific way in which this person is suffering. Now imagine breathing in their suffering so that you are taking that dark energy out of that person and inhaling it into yourself. And now breathe out a happy, healing energy, visualizing that you are breathing this healing energy into this other person, and that it is easing the suffering. And now let us return to the breath for one moment. We take a deep breath in through the nose, observing the breath as it moves through the nose down into the abdomen. And then breathing out through the mouth. And if you find that it helps you to relax, you may turn the exhale into a slight sigh. And now let us continue our Tonglen session. Bring to mind another person whom is suffering. Be aware of the way in which this person is suffering. Be mindful of the energy of their pain. You may describe to yourself the quality of that suffering. What does that energy look like or feel like? Now visualize inhaling that person's suffering so that it leaves their body and comes into you. And now on an exhale, visualize exhaling healing energy towards this person. If you like, you may also vocalize your desire for this person to be free of suffering, simply saying, "May, and the name of person, be free from suffering." Now let us do one more person. Visualize one person who is in pain and suffering. Be mindful of how this person suffers. Visualize breathing in their pain. And breathe out healing energy to restore this person. And now let us vocalize our desire for this person to be free from suffering. May, and the name of the person, be free from suffering. Now you can continue with as many people as you like, but for this guided session, we are now going to conclude by visualizing our own suffering. Bring yourself to mind. Be aware of the way in which you yourself suffer. Visualize breathing in that suffering. And visualize breathing out a healing energy that will restore this person. And now let us take one more mindful breath in through the nose and out through the mouth to clear the mind. And now let us end this brief Tonglen meditation with the wish that all beings on this earth be free from suffering. One thing I would like to note about Tonglen is that it does not need to be done in a formal meditation. At any time throughout the day, you can decide to be mindfully aware of how people suffer. You can visualize inhaling their pain, momentarily experiencing the way in which they suffer, and then breathing out a healing energy to restore that person. I thank you for joining us for this brief guided Tonglen meditation session. And we invite you to join us for a private meditation session on thedailymeditation.com. Thank you for listening.